Today, we'll embark on a journey of self-empowerment through positive affirmations. These powerful statements hold the key to unlocking a more optimistic and fulfilling day. By repeating them with intention, we can begin to retrain our brains, replacing negative self-talk with empowering beliefs. These are more than just hopeful pronouncements. They are potent tools that can reshape your inner world. By consciously repeating these affirmations, we can gently shift the narrative within our minds, replacing self-doubt with unwavering confidence. Think of your mind as a fertile garden. Today, we'll plant seeds of positivity within it. These affirmations, nurtured with daily care and intention, will blossom into a mindset that empowers you to achieve your goals and embrace life's possibilities with open arms. The power of positive affirmations has been recognized for centuries, and even modern research suggests they can influence our neural pathways, fostering a more optimistic outlook. But the true magic lies in the transformation they bring to your daily experience. So, get ready to cultivate a vibrant garden of positivity within your mind. Let these affirmations be your guiding light, shaping your thoughts and actions for a day brimming with possibility and a life overflowing with joy. Close your eyes and take a few deep, cleansing breaths. Feel the air filling your lungs, expanding your chest with each inhale. As you exhale, release any tension or worries that may be clinging to you. Letting them drift away like clouds scattered by a gentle breeze. Focus on the physical sensations of your body. Feel the rise and fall of your breath, the gentle thud of your heart. Let these sensations anchor you in the present moment. If any thoughts intrude, acknowledge them without judgment, and then gently guide your attention back to your breath. Imagine your mind as a calm lake, and these fleeting thoughts like ripples on its surface. Observe them without getting caught in their current. With each exhale, feel yourself sinking deeper into relaxation. Allow your muscles to soften, your shoulders to drop, and your brow to smooth. Let the tranquility of this space wash over you, cleansing and rejuvenating your mind and body. We are now ready to embark on a transformative journey. A journey of self-empowerment through the power of positive affirmations. Now let's begin planting those seeds of positivity. Take a deep breath in, filling your lungs with the energy of these affirmations. As you exhale, silently repeat the first affirmation to yourself. I am worthy of love and happiness. Allow the words to resonate within you. Feel the truth of them settle in your core. Take another deep breath in, and with the exhale, repeat the second affirmation. I am capable, and I have the strength to overcome challenges. Feel the power of these words course through you. Imagine a wellspring of resilience bubbling up within. Continue with these affirmations, allowing space for each one to truly sink in before moving to the next. I am surrounded by abundance and opportunity. Envision a world brimming with possibilities waiting to be explored. I am open to learning and growing each day. Feel your mind and spirit expanding, ready to embrace new experiences. I am confident in my abilities and trust my intuition. Allow a sense of inner wisdom to guide you. I release negativity and choose to focus on the positive. Breathe out any lingering doubts and anxieties. I am grateful for all the blessings in my life. Feel a wave of appreciation wash over you. Today, I will choose kindness, both for myself and others. Imagine radiating warmth and compassion in every interaction. With each breath, I step closer to my goals and dreams. Feel a sense of determination and purpose ignite within you. Repeat whichever affirmations resonate most deeply with you. Let them become a mantra, a constant reminder of your inner strength and potential. As you come to the end of your meditation, take a few moments to simply be. Bask in the warm glow of the positive energy you've cultivated. When you're ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes and slowly open your eyes, carrying the power of these affirmations with you throughout your day. Remember, you are strong, capable, and deserving of all that life has to offer. Let these positive affirmations be your guiding light. Illuminating a path towards a joyous and fulfilling journey.